How to fix QuickSnap not showing on Instagram. This can sometimes happen because the app is outdated or due to a temporary app issue. Here's how to fix it on both Android and iPhone. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Search for Instagram. Open the Instagram app page. If you see an Update button, tap Update. Wait for Instagram to finish updating. Open Instagram and check if QuickSnap is now showing. If you're still having the issue, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Now, tap Manage Apps. Search Instagram in the search bar and select Instagram. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Data on the bottom of the screen and select Clear Cache. Open Instagram again and check if QuickSnap is available. And that's how you can fix QuickSnap not showing on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.